How to increase brightness on Roblox. So if you want to increase your brightness on Roblox, then open up your browser, any browser that you are comfortable with, and then you can search for Roblox. Once you're here on the Roblox, go for the Roblox icon, which is here on the upper left. Click on that icon, and it will take you to the home page. So go for the upper left, which has that three-bar icon. And here, you need to simply go for the upper right, which has that settings icon. Click on settings and go for settings again. And under settings you will have graphics mode section, and under graphics mode section you will have manual option. So by doing so, in graphics quality you can increase or decrease its quality, and this will impact the brightness in your Roblox. In addition to this, in the background transparency section you can set the best options so that the game is as clear as possible. So that's how you can increase the brightness on Roblox. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.